Ever wondered how to improve your credit score in just 90 days? From 0 to a soaring 700, it may sound like a dream. Yet, it is achievable. Today, we delve into the steps you can take to improve your credit score rapidly and efficiently. Step 1. Understand your credit score. Your credit score is a 3-digit number ranging from 300 to 850. It's like your financial report card, the higher the better. It represents your creditworthiness to lenders and can affect your ability to borrow money or access products like credit cards and loans. Step 2. Check your credit reports. You can request a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. Review these reports for any errors or discrepancies and dispute them if necessary. Step 3. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is the single most significant factor affecting your credit score, making up about 35% of the total. Establish a consistent payment routine, even if it means making minimum payments. Step 4. Reduce your debt. The amount you owe, or your credit utilization, makes up about 30% of your credit score. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. This means if you have a credit card with a limit of $1,000, try not to carry a balance of more than $300. Step 5. Diversify your credit. Having a mix of credit types can boost your score. This could include a car loan, a mortgage, or a credit card, but remember, it's crucial to manage these responsibly. Step 6. Limit new credit applications. Each time you apply for new credit, it can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can lower your score. Only apply for new credit when necessary. Step 7. Maintain old credit accounts. The length of your credit history can also impact your score. If you've managed an account responsibly, it's often beneficial to keep it open, even if you don't use it often. Bonus: if you're starting from nothing, you're in a great place. You haven't had to dig yourself out of the hole of a negative credit history. The best and safest way to build your score is to 3. Secured credit card, maintain a small balance, and even automate attaching each to a small recurring bill like the gym or Netflix, then have them paid automatically every month. And you're on your way to perfect credit. In summary, improving your credit score in 90 days involves understanding your score, checking your credit reports, paying your bills on time, reducing your debt, diversifying your credit, limiting new applications, and maintaining old accounts. Remember, while these steps can help you achieve a higher credit score, it's essential to continue these good habits even after you've reached your goal. A good credit score can open many doors, but maintaining it requires ongoing diligence and responsibility. So, while it seems like a daunting task, with the right steps and a little discipline, you can improve your credit score from 0 to 700 in just 90 days. It's all about understanding the system, making smart decisions, and sticking to your plan. Remember, good credit isn't just about borrowing money, it's about financial freedom and opportunity. So why wait? Start your journey to a better credit score today.